Hello, namaste, and welcome back. It's been really a long while I have cooked something for you. So, I have come back with a very special recipe. This is not an Indian recipe, so let's see what it is. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So here is our Bok Choy. It's also called as Pak Choi. This is Chinese cabbage. Okay. So this is all joined up. ये पूरे ऐसे जुड़े हुए रहते हैं कैबेज की तरह. इसका एक यहाँ पे एक मोटा सा रूट या स्टेम कह लीजिए वो होता है. Just it will look like this. तो उसको काट देना है आपको और एक एक लीफ निकाल के you have to clean it. You have to thoroughly wash it because there would be mud here inside. Here. Okay. And if there is any yellow leaves, you have to take it out. So wash and clean because this is the main ingredient for today's recipe, Pak Choi. And we would also need some spring onions. So Pak Choi is really good because in terms of health benefits, it has a lot of calcium, potassium in it. And if you want to know more, you can Google about it. Okay, so pani garam ho gaya hai. Now we are going to give this bok choy a hot water bath. Alright, so I'm just dipping it here. Alright. So we are blanching the bok choy leaves here. You can also steam it. इसको steam भी कर सकते हैं आप. मैं यहाँ इसको blanching process में डाल रही हूँ. देखिए मेरी बॉक चॉय की पत्तियाँ नहा रही हैं. एक हॉट वाटर बाथ ले रही हैं हॉट टब में. राइट, जस्ट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स यू हैव टू डिप इट इन. उसके बाद इसको निकाल के आपको तुरंत ही कोल्ड वाटर शावर देना है सो दैट द कुकिंग प्रोसेस स्टॉप्स एंड द न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर इंटैक्ट. राइट, ओके, सो ये ब्लांच हो गया है. आई हैव स्विच्ड ऑफ द गैस. We will take it and put it in cold water. Right. Nice greens here. Okay. All right. So we'll take it from here and chop it into pieces and ready to start making the recipe. Okay, so मेरी कढ़ाई गरम हो गई है and now I'm going to pour oil here. Just a little bit of oil. I'm using sesame oil here. You can use olive oil or any salad oil. But salad oil आप end में use कीजिए, वो अच्छा रहेगा. Now some crushed garlic. So garlic crush करने के लिए आप एक knife का भी use कर सकते हैं. Just take the garlic and punch it like this on a chopping board, or you can crush whichever way you want, but just don't use your teeth to crush it. And here is some spring onions chopped. Okay, all right, give it a stir. Okay, so I am putting whatever was available in my fridge. So I had some leftover mushrooms. ओके, इस रेसिपी में मशरूम डालना ज़रूरी नहीं है. आपके पास है तो आप डाल सकते हैं, और यू कैन जस्ट यूज़ वेजीज व्हाटएवर यू हैव. सो आई हैड मशरूम्स, आई हैड सम ब्रोकली. हियर यू गो. बड़ा हरा भरा बॉक चॉय बनेगा. ओके, एंड आई हैव सम बीन्स. फाइनली चॉप्ड बीन्स हियर, एंड आई हैव कैप्सिकम. So that I'll put at the end for that crunchy texture of it. Okay, at this stage you can put some salt. A dash of pepper powder, just a little bit. Okay. Bit of oil more because we have lots of vegetables here. You have to keep the flame towards the medium side to the high side. Okay, you can put a little bit of water if you want. So I think this is partially done. Now we'll put the capsicum, chopped capsicum, and the Bok Choy stem, because ये थोड़े से hard हैं, तो इनको soft होने देंगे पहले. After that we will put the leaves. Okay. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon vinegar. And give it a good mix. Alright. Lots of greens, lots of veggies. So you can also add carrots and any other vegetable in your house, in your refrigerator if you have in store, वो भी डाल सकते हैं. So मेरे पास ये combinations था तो मैंने ये डाला. If you want to make it a non-veg bok choy, stir-fried bok choy, you can also add some boiled chicken into it. Alright, so we leave it for some time. Okay. So now this one last thing which I am going to put is Szechuan stir-fry sauce. This we ordered from Big Basket. I just wanted to try what is the stir-fried sauce. So I'm going to try with the Bok Choy because I'm going to stir-fry the Bok Choy. Okay. And finally we will add the leaves now. Here we go. So there is one more variety which you get is the baby Bok Choy. So the baby Bok Choys are more tender, smaller ones. And my baby is here. Hi, Cuckoo. Alright, so we give it a good mix and just leave it for another 1 or 2 minutes. So our stir-fried Bok Choy is ready. Pak Choi या Bok Choy, जो चाहिए कह लीजिए. See, it's looking really lovely. It's a perfect salad dish or side dish. You can have it with pasta, or you can just have it with some tossed chicken, or just like with breads, or any which way you like it. So please continue watching my videos. Do share and subscribe, and don't forget to come back for another recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.